Attention business owners and marketers. Do you want to boost your video marketing using AI that results in generating leads and sales? We have developed the most trending product in the hottest and evergreen niche. Join countless satisfied businesses and experience growth and success as the power of artificial intelligence is changing the game by revolutionizing your video marketing approach. Enhance conversions, CTR, and engagement metrics by getting hands on our Starling product. Learn how this AI-enhanced video marketing game plan is being published across various platforms, social media, blogs, and emails, engaging customers at every touchpoint and propelling your business into a new era of success. The positive update is that all the issues or problems you have been facing are resolved with the power of AI in video marketing. This product is the ultimate solution to any difficulties you may encounter. This training guide will teach you how AI can elevate your video marketing to take your efforts to the next level in video marketing that people can't look away from and can't resist getting involved in increasing engagement and conversion rates. It can also help you measure the results of your videos by tracking metrics and even personalize your video content. Introducing Video Marketing with AI Mastery. It's a comprehensive and professionally researched guide that covers a vast amount of information related to transforming your ordinary video marketing strategies into captivating, attention-grabbing tricks that resonate with your audience with the help of the hottest tech AI. Our product is 100% new user-friendly. You don't need prior knowledge, qualifications, or expertise to generate income like us. In addition, we are pleased to offer you 3 unique bonuses too. Mind map, cheat sheet, top resource report. This amazing guide will teach and guide you to understand the role of AI in video marketing, acknowledge how to do video marketing using different AI tools available in the market, know in detail about analyzing video content and audio using AI, discover the importance of personalized AI video content, catch sight of how AI algorithms are useful for suggesting relevant video content, know the impact of AI video thumbnails on click-through rates, get to know the engagement patterns with AI, and so much more. Also, here are some facts and figures that you must know. Over the next 5 years, 74% of marketers will use AI automation for over a quarter of their tasks, 45% will relate to video marketing. In 2022, video marketing spending will total $92.253 billion, 40% of which will go to AI-powered tools and services. By 2023, video content will comprise 82% of internet traffic, and 60% of that will be AI-powered. Download this fantastic product effortlessly and get your viewers hooked on your videos. We've taken care of all the setup to ensure it perfectly fulfills your requirements. All you have to do is take advantage of our incredibly affordable pricing, purchase the product, download the content, and you can start right away.